We are here at the Shul.com podcast, Surfside Kolel Boker. We are bringing over a question from Rav Mutzafi, She'ela 239856 from Doresh Sion. The question is as follows. Then he asks as follows. Lefi HaGemara, according to the Talmud, Geshamim Sheyodim Belil Shabbat, Bizman Shekulam Bayit, Ze Nechshav Legashmei Beracha. He's asking, when it rains on Friday night and everybody is home, is that a rain of blessing? Okay, so let's hear. Pesikta Zutrata Ekev. And he writes here, Tet Zayin Amud Aleph. Venatati metar artzechem, and I will bring you the rain in your land. Amar Kadosh Baruch Hu, Im asitem ma she'alechem, afani e'aseh et sheli. If you do what you need to do, I'll do what I need to do, God says. Venatati metar artzechem ba'ito, I will give the rain at its right time. Yoreh u'malkosh. Yoreh is the early rains, malkosh is the later rains. Rabbi Natan omer, be'ito, what does Rabbi Natan tell us? In its time, milele Shabbat, lele Shabbat. So Leil Shabbat is Friday night. So he says it would rain from Friday to Friday night. That's when the people were already home from shul, not when they were not. V'sifra bechukotai parasha aleph perek aleph v'natati gishmechem be'itam be'lelot Shabbat on the nights of Shabbat. Maaseh b'imei Shimon ben Shatach b'imei shemlatzo hamalka. It says Shlom Natzot, I think it's Shlom Sion Hamalka. Okay. Geshamim Yordim Melele Shabbat Lele Shabbat Ashnasu Haitim Kekelayot Seudim Kegarine Zetim. Okay, so he says here that it would rain from Friday night to Friday night until the Chitim, the wheat, used to become huge. Adashim Kedine Zahav, and the Adashim were like golden coins. And the Chachamim saved the Chitim, and they saved the Zetim, and they somehow preserved them so people can see, look how big they were. Now, what was the whole thing behind this? Is that not only did it rain Friday night to Friday night, when people were home, so the roads weren't muddy at night. So it didn't interfere with their lives. It wasn't rainy or muddy when they had to walk home or prepare for Shabbat. But furthermore, it was saying that even with just those rains, it was enough that all the crops grew to become huge and healthy and tasty. It is brought down in another place that also raining on Tuesday night, Leil Revi'i, is also a siman beracha. Obviously, it's talking about the nights when people are home, that it doesn't interfere with their lives. If it's raining during the day, it interferes. So that's according to Rav Mutzafi and then the other sources. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen v'amen.